In last classes, we discussed about cell. Cell. It contains different types of cell organelles inside of cell. For example, plasma membrane. What? Plasma membrane. Plasma membrane. Already I told you, it is outermost membrane. It is here outermost membrane. This is plasma membrane. Observe carefully, outermost membrane. Here, it does not allow all substances into the cell. It does not allow all substances through it. Okay. It allows only certain substances. It allows only certain substances. Listen carefully here. Through it. That is why it is also called as selectively permeable membrane. Selectively permeable membrane. Understanding? Listen carefully. Here, listen, selectively permeable membrane. This membrane is made up of actually proteins and lipids. Proteins and lipids. In all cells, listen carefully. In all cells, plasma membrane is present. Plasma membrane is present. Are you understanding? Plasma membrane is also called a cell membrane. Okay, it is also called as plasma lemma. Are you understanding? Observe carefully. Here, when we observe the cell, outermost membrane is plasma membrane. It does not allow all substances through it. It allows only certain substances through it selectively. That is why this is called selectively permeable membrane. Selectively permeable membrane. Are you understanding? Listen carefully. Next, plasma membrane is made up of proteins and lipids. Proteins and lipids. Here, in all cells, plasma membrane is present. In each and every cell, plasma membrane is present. In bacterial cell, in human cell, in any other cell, plant cell, plasma membrane is present. Plasma membrane is also called as cell membrane or plasmalemma. These are the other names of the plasma membrane. Are understanding? This is outermost layer or boundary of the cell. Okay, boundary of the cell. Here it separates the inner content. It separates the inner content of the cell from external environment or external atmosphere. Understanding? External environment or external atmosphere. It separates. Okay, next, what is the function? What is the function of plasma membrane? Main function of plasma membrane is protection. Protection is the main function of the plasma membrane. Are understanding? It protects the all internal parts of the cell because it is present outermost part, outermost region. Okay, next, it gives shape. It gives shape to the cell. These two are functions of the plasma membrane. Okay, observe this. This is about plasma membrane. Okay, observe once. Next, cell wall. Cell wall. Here, cell wall. Listen carefully. Here, cell wall. It is present only in plant cells. Only in plant cells. Bacterial cells. Plant cells, bacterial cells. Understanding? In animal cells, these are absent. In animal cells, cell wall is absent. Cell wall is absent. Understanding? Okay, next cell wall. Listen carefully. Cell wall. It is absent in animal cells. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. Cell wall is made up of cellulose. Understanding? Here, cell wall is very thick layer and tough layer. Okay, thick and a tough layer, rigid layer. It is actually rigid layer. Listen carefully. Next, it is actually porous one. Porous means number of pores are present. Pores are present. Are understanding? Observe carefully. Number of pores are present here. Next, it is permeable membrane. It is permeable membrane. Observe carefully. What is the function of cell wall? Main function is protection. Protection of inner organs. Next, it gives shape to cell. It gives shape to the cell. Okay, this is about cell wall. Okay, observe once. Okay, observe cell wall. It is the outermost layer in plant cell. Means on plasma membrane, another extra layer is present that is called cell wall. Here, it is present only in plant cells and bacterial cells. In animal cells, cell wall is absent. In animal cell, cell wall is absent. Remember, very important. In animal cells, there is no cell wall. Next, cell wall is made up of cellulose material or cellulose fibers. Understanding? Cell wall is made up of cell wall is made up of cell wall is made up of cellulose or cellulose fibers. Next, it is very thick layer, tough layer, rigid layer. Understanding? Next, it is porous. It is porous. Means number of pores are present. Number of pores are present here. Next, it is actually permeable membrane. It actually permeable membrane means it allows all substances through it. It allows all substances through it. That is why it is called permeable membrane. Next, what are the functions of the cell wall? It gives protection to inner parts of the cell. Next, it gives shape to the some cells. It gives shape to the cells. Okay, this is about cell wall. Okay, observe carefully all important points. Next, nucleus. Next, another important part of cell is nucleus. This is actually nucleus. Observe carefully. Nucleus. What are the characteristic features of nucleus? When we observe the nucleus, it is surrounded by a membrane. It is called actually nuclear membrane. It is called actually nuclear membrane. Inside of the nuclear membrane, jelly-like fluid is present. Inside of the nuclear membrane, jelly-like fluid is present. It is called actually nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm. Next, inside of the nucleoplasm, highly coiled thread-like structure is present. This is called actually chromatin. This is called chromatin. Next, inside of the nucleus, a dot-like structure is present. It is called nucleolus. It is called actually nucleolus. These are the important parts present in nucleus. Are you understanding? Observe carefully. Nucleus means it is a part of the cell. It is also called as an integral part. An integral part of the cell. Usually, first time Robert Hooke. First time Robert Brown. Robert Hooke discovered the cell. Robert Brown discovered in the year 1831. In the year 1831, Robert Brown discovered the nucleus. Robert Brown discovered the nucleus. Understanding? Observe characteristic features. Nucleus is an integral part of the cell. This statement was proposed by Robert Brown. Okay. Nucleus is located at the center of the cell in animal cells. At the center of the cell. In animals. Next, at peripheral site. Peripheral side in plants. Okay. Next, what is the function of the nucleus? Chromatin means DNA. Deoxyribonucleic acid. Due to presence of DNA, it controls all functions. Functions of the cell. That is why it is also called as brain of the cell. Brain of the cell. Okay, or control chamber of the cell. It is also called as control chamber of the cell. Okay. Okay, observe all important characteristic features. Observe nucleus. Okay, nucleus. It is an integral part of the cell. It was discovered by Robert Brown in the year 1831. Next, it is present at the center of the cell in animals. It is present at peripheral side in plants. Next, when we observe the nucleus, it is surrounded by nuclear membrane. Inside of the nucleus, fluid filled structure is present. It is called nucleoplasm. Thread-like structure is present inside of the nucleoplasm. It is called chromatin material or chromatin fibers. It contains the DNA. Chromatin means that is DNA. Next, a dot-like structure, a spot-like structure is also present. It is called nucleolus. Understanding? Next, it controls the all functions of the cell. That is why it is also called as brain of the cell or control chamber of the cell. Control chamber of the cell. Okay. Observe once. Next, these all are parts of the cell. These all are parts of the cell. Mitochondria. Mitochondria. Mitochondria means that is plural word. Mitochondrion. Mitochondrion means it is singular word. Okay, it is plural word. Here, okay, listen. This is actually your mitochondria. Observe structure here. They are present in all cells. They are present in all cells. Here, mitochondria are absent in some cells. They are prokaryotic cells. They are prokaryotic cells. In eukaryotic cells, all eukaryotic cells, mitochondria are present. When we observe the structure of the mitochondria, here this is the mitochondria. This is outer membrane. Next, here inner membrane. Inner membrane has some foldings. These foldings are called cristae. Inside of the mitochondria, fluid filled space is present. It is called matrix. It is called actually matrix. Okay. Next here, DNA molecule is also present. Next, other some ribosomes. They are also present here. When we observe the mitochondria, its function is actually respiration process. It is involved in respiration process. It is also called as powerhouse of the cell. Power houses of the cell. Powerhouse of the cell. Actually, energy is produced from the food material inside of the mitochondria. Means energy is produced inside of the mitochondria. Okay, observe mitochondria. Okay, observe mitochondria. The singular word is mitochondrion. Okay, it is present in all eukaryotic cells. Mitochondria are present in all eukaryotic cells. When we observe the structure of the mitochondria, it is surrounded by two membranes, outer and inner membranes. Inner membrane has finger-like projections. These are called cristae. Inside of the mitochondria, fluid-filled space is present. It is called matrix. Next, ribosomes and DNA. These are also present in matrix. What is the function of the mitochondria? Respiration is the function of mitochondria. It is also called as powerhouses of the cell or powerhouse of the cell. Actually, energy is produced inside of the mitochondria. That is why mitochondria are called powerhouse of the cell. Are called powerhouse of the cells. Okay, this is about mitochondria. Okay, next other one. Next, chloroplast. Chloroplast. Here, in cell, these are distributed Chloroplast. These are present in all. These are present only in plant cells. Only in plant cells. Whereas in animal cells, these are absent. These are absent. Listen carefully here. When we observe this structure, it is also surrounded by two membranes. Outer membrane, inner membrane. Next, inner side of the chloroplast, fluid filled space is present. It is called stroma. It is called stroma. Inside of the chloroplast, membranous structures are present. These membranous structures are called thylakoids. Thylakoids or thylakoid membranes. Are understanding? Thylakoid membranes. Next, inside of the stroma, we can observe DNA. Here and there, ribosomes are also present. Are understanding? Inside of the stroma, ribosomes are also present. Next, when we observe the photosynthesis, this is carried out by chloroplast. Main function of chloroplast is photosynthesis process. It is involved in photosynthesis. Photosynthesis process has two parts, means two steps. First one, light reaction. Second one, dark reaction. Light reaction and dark reaction. Here, light reaction takes place in thylakoid membranes. Light reaction is taken place in thylakoid membranes. Dark reaction is taken place in stroma. Taken place in stroma. Understanding? These two are important process. Ultimately, food material is synthesized inside of the inside of the chloroplast, inside of the chlor chloroplast. Are understanding? Observe carefully. Okay, observe here chloroplast. These are green color cell organelles. Green color cell organelles. They are present in cytoplasm. They are present only in plant cells. In animal cells, these are absent. When we observe the structure of the chloroplast, it is also surrounded by two membranes, outer membrane, inner membrane. Inside of the chloroplast, fluid filled space is present. It is called stroma. In stroma, number of membranous structures are present. These are called thylakoid membrane. In thylakoid membrane, here and there, some stalks of thylakoid membranes are present. These are called grana. Next, inside of the stroma, DNA is present. In addition to DNA, ribosomes are also present. Are understanding? What is the function of the chloroplast? It is involved in photosynthesis process. Photosynthesis process has two phases, light reaction and dark reaction. Light reaction is taken place in grana or thylakoid membranes. Dark reaction takes place in stroma. Okay, this is about chloroplast.